Remarkable crypto projects have been made to tackle different certifiable issues, and their fundamental blockchain advancements show incredible commitment. Nonetheless, the mass reception of these tasks has been delayed because of a blend of mechanical youthfulness and terrible press. The OMG network is one task that is endeavoring to change this by giving a decentralized trade stage that is based on top of the Ethereum blockchain. OMG isn't simply any installment the executive's administration, it has made many accomplices with enormous organizations throughout the long term. One of these huge organizations is McDonald's in Thailand, for instance. On June 6, 2020, OMG rebranded and changed to the mainnet. From that second on, it was known as the OMG organization. Here's something worth mulling over. Dissimilar to government-issued currency, most cryptographic forms of money have a restricted stock, covered by numerical calculations. This makes it inconceivable for any political body or government office to weaken its worth through expansion. In this way, we should make a plunge and commit a chance to OMG cost expectation, remembering that OMG may be a solid, long-haul store of significant worth. The present OMG organization cost is $1.77 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $24,913,547. OMG organization is up 1.38% as of now. The ongoing CoinMarketCap positioning is number 122, with a live market cap of $247,982,933. It has a flowing inventory of 140,245,398 OMG coins and a maximum supply of 140,245,399 OMG coins. OMG outline. The OMG organization is a blockchain-based association that plans to give secure monetary admittance to clients. The stage's OMG token permits shoppers to make exchanges on the organization. The OMG organization is intended to assist clients with staying away from the charges and postponements related with incorporated trades. The OMG organization is still in its beginning phases, however it can possibly turn into a key part in the cryptographic money space. The task was made to further develop versatility and make exchanges speedier, utilizing more viable plasma innovation, sidechains based on top of savvy contracts. The OMG organization is supposed to be the fastest method for moving ERC20 tokens around the world, and this digital money venture could stand out. On October 4, 2021, the cost of an OMG token flooded near $16, worth unheard of beginning around 2018. What is the OMG organization and its starting point? Throughout the course of recent years, tackling the monetary consideration issue has been difficult for some associations. Charge and MasterCards have been utilized to get to banking administrations, yet many individuals don't approach these administrations. While this was feasible to make these installments utilizing these stages, it was hard to move cash starting with one stage then on to the next. OMG organization specialized investigation. Taking a gander at OMG organization cost investigation, the computerized resource has been shaping three-sided designs with more promising low points and worse high points. On the 4-hour time period, it very well may be seen that OMG has tried the 0.786 Fibonacci augmentation level threefold and is as of now exchanging at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. The RSI pointer is in the overbought locale. Be that as it may, there is no negative dissimilarity yet. The MACD pointer is giving bullish signs as the MACD line has crossed over the sign line. Assuming that the computerized resource breaks out of the plummeting triangle design, it can flood to $4.50 levels. Notwithstanding, on the off chance that it separates from the ongoing level, it can tumble to $1.20 levels. The OMG organization cost would change around $1 in the event that it figures out how to keep up with the ongoing degree of improvement and reception. Be that as it may, it could see a critical expansion in cost on the off chance that it can turn out to be all the more broadly utilized and coordinated into various frameworks. OMG organization value expectation 2022. In our cost expectation for 2022, We expect less cost changes as the advanced resource has held at $1 throughout the previous few months. The most noteworthy that OMG could flood to is $2.18, and the least it could drop to is $1.95. However, the costs could see some unpredictability and later settle to a typical exchanging cost of $2.01 by December 2022. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2023. As per our profound specialized examination and following of the OMG Organization cost verifiable information, the OMG coin will keep on flooding higher and could achieve a greatest value level of $3.40 in 2023. The cryptographic money could confront a few redresses, be that as it may, and could drop to a base worth of $2.96. The normal gauge cost by December 2023 would be around $3.04. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2024. In the year 2024, the OMG figure looks bullish as it would accomplish a most extreme value worth of $5.25. The base cost esteem that it could drop to would be around $4.44, and the advanced resource is determined to have a typical exchanging cost of $4.59 by December 2024. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2025. The drawn-out OMG coin figure for 2025 is likewise bullish as it would hit a greatest worth of $7.71. The base it could drop to would be around $6.42, and the normal gauge esteem by 2025 would be around $6.61. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2026. By 2026, OMG might actually achieve a base value worth of $9.75 while the greatest value it could flood to would be $11.33. The typical worth of OMG by 2026 would be sitting at around $10.08. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2027. OMG Organization Cost Gauge for the year 2027 recommends that computerized cash might actually achieve a most extreme value worth of $17.30 while the base it could drop to would be around $14.38. The typical cost of OMG in 2027 would be $14.78. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2028. 2028 is one more year where the OMG coin could keep expanding in costs as it might actually flood to $24.48 while the base it could drop to would be $20.68. The gauge normal cost of OMG in 2028, nonetheless, would be around $21.28.